Git fetch just showed deleted, none, origin develop. The develop branch vanished from GitHub and CI started failing. A cleanup script that had run nightly for 3 months finally hit a protected branch. Let's break down Git delete local and remote branch, how it works, and the exact mistake behind that failure. Deleting a Git branch removes the named pointer to a commit, not the commits themselves. Git gives you 2 local delete commands. The safe D checks for unmerged commits, while D force deletes without checks. Remote branches require Git push origin delete. The critical difference: D checks whether the branch is fully merged. If not, it refuses. D skips that check entirely. Always use D first, and only reach for D when you understand why D failed. Here's how to delete a local branch. The safe version will fail if the branch has unmerged commits. The force version will delete regardless. Deleting a remote branch removes it from the server, but your local remote tracking refs remain stale. You need git fetch, prune to clean those up. Use git push origin delete to remove the remote branch, then prune your local cache with git remote prune origin or git fetch prune. The complete cleanup sequence: switch to main, delete the local branch, delete the remote branch, then prune stale tracking refs. This leaves your repo clean. Here's the full workflow in action. Always pull the latest main before deleting to avoid stale merge checks. If you accidentally delete a branch, don't panic. The commits still exist. Use git reflog to find the last commit hash and recreate the branch. Run git reflog and look for the branch name. The commit hash is right there. Then recreate the branch pointing to that commit. This is the same issue we highlighted at the start. Here's exactly why that happened. A nightly cleanup script used git branch merged main without excluding protected branches. Since develop had been merged into main that afternoon, the script considered it safe to delete and removed it from the remote. The cleanup script deleted the develop branch because it lacked an exclusion filter for protected branches, causing CI pipelines to fail. The fix was to add a grep VE to exclude main, develop, and release branches from the delete list. The team also enabled branch protection rules on GitHub to prevent deletion of critical branches. This one-liner deletes all branches merged into main, including protected ones like develop. Always exclude them with grep VE. After deleting a remote branch, your local cache still shows it. Always run git fetch prune or set fetch prune true globally. When D fails, don't immediately reach for de-inspect what commits would be lost with git log branch, not main. The article uses git checkout for branch switching, but Git 2.23+ introduced git switch as a safer alternative. Git switch only switches branches, no file restore side effects, and is preferred in modern workflows. The article's examples remain valid, but teams on newer Git versions may adopt git switch for clarity. If a remote branch is deleted and no local copy exists, GitHub's API can retrieve the last commit SHA from recent delete event activity. Use this to recreate the branch locally and push it back. The article's production incident highlights the risk of bulk deleting branches without exclusions. In CI/CD pipelines, always run a dry run step first, e.g., git branch merged main grep VE, protected zargs echo, and require manual approval for actual deletion. Also, use git push origin, delete with dry run to verify remote deletions. Use these commands to diagnose and fix branch deletion issues. Always inspect before force deleting and use dry run modes to preview changes. Let's run through some common interview questions. Difference between D and D? D checks merge status, D force deletes. Why does git branch R show deleted branches? Local cache, run git fetch prune. How to recover a force deleted branch? Use git reflog to find commit hash, then git branch. And a few frequently asked questions. What's the difference between D and D? D checks merge status, D skips it. How to delete both local and remote? Git branch D name and in git push origin delete name. Can I recover a deleted branch? Yes, via git reflog within 30 days. To summarize, use safe delete by default, always clean both local and remote, automate pruning, protect your critical branches, and remember that reflog is your safety net. Ready to go deeper? Up next, Git squash commits. Combine multiple commits into one, then git stash. Save and restore work in progress, then git cherry pick. Apply commits across branches. Find them all at thecodeforge.io. Thanks for watching. The full article and code examples are covered in detail at thecodeforge.io.